H11DSi-101, Supermicro H11DSi-NT Manual. H11DSi is a motherboard model from Supermicro that supports dual AMD EPYC 7001/7002 series processors, up to 4 TB of registered ECC DDR4 memory, and various expansion slots and storage options. It is designed for high-performance computing, cloud computing, and enterprise applications. H11DSi IPMI is the Intelligent Platform Management Interface feature of the H11DSi motherboard. It allows users to remotely monitor and control the system through a dedicated LAN port and a web-based interface. Users can access various system information, such as temperatures, voltages, fan speeds, BIOS settings, and logs. Users can also update the BIOS and BMC firmware, and perform power operations and virtual media over LAN. The H11DSi motherboard is a standard EATX form factor, measuring 12x13.05. It has 16 DIMM slots, 10 SATA 3 ports, 1 M.2 slot, 2 SATA DOM power connectors, 1 TPM 2.0 header, 2 PCIe 3.0x16 slots, 3 PCIe 3.0x8 slots, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, 1 VGA port 1 COM port, 2 RJ45 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, and 1 RJ45 dedicated IPMI LAN port. The H11DSi motherboard is compatible with various chassis models from Supermicro, such as SC213AC-R1K23LPB, SC216B1C4-R1K23LPB, SC825TQC-R802LPB, SC826B1C4-R1K23LPB, SC829E1C4-R1K62LPB, SC836B1C-R1K23B, SC745BAC-R1K28B2, and SC846B1C-R1K23B. Learn more. 1. H11DSi motherboard Supermicro Computer Incorporated. https